What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we are here with the beloved Grom, the new addition to the channel. Today we've got one of the first upgrades we're going to do on this bike, which is adding a lithium battery, so let's get right to it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and unbox this battery here. This battery is by Noco, if that's the right way to say it. Okay, so here, all right, so here's the battery. It's a 12 volt, 250 amps, 2 amp hours, lithium battery. So this should be a lot lighter than what's in there right now. We've got a 5-year warranty on this guy. Let's go ahead and open this up. Nice packaging. There you have it. Here's the battery inside. You've got an Allen key. You've got some different, we'll call these risers. So this one's a 24 millimeter. Here's the battery itself. It is very light. Here is the other riser. So you have 2 risers. They give you a 20 and a 24. Got your nice fat manual here. We've got our little covers for the battery, but wow, this is very light compared to the stock battery. So let's go ahead and weigh those and see the difference in weights between these 2 batteries. All right, so to get the battery out, first thing we got to do, put the key inside, turn it. All right, so after getting that off, we can see that's the battery here. I believe this is probably a 10, so we're going to get our tools, get this off. We'll get you the measurements on those. Okay, this bracket here is a 10, and the one that holds the battery down is an 8 millimeter. Okay, so now that we have our battery terminals disconnected, we're going to go ahead, slide this battery out. So there's the stock battery. All right, so for comparison, you can see these batteries are both the same size. The only difference is going to be the weight. Huge difference. So I'm going to go ahead and get our scale out here. Okay, we got our scale zeroed out. All right, so let's go ahead and weigh our stock battery. Our stock battery is coming in at 3 pounds and 7.8 ounces. And now our lithium battery. And our lithium battery is only 1 pound and 8.2 ounces. So we can see on this little bike, just changing out the battery will get us close to, not quite 2 pounds in reduction, but that's a big difference in weight when you compare the two. Again, this battery here is a Noco lithium battery, and the stock battery is a UASA. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. I'll kind of go over the specs in a little bit more detail as to how these batteries compare, but I think this is a nice light, man. It's amazing when you put these in your hands how different the weight is, but this is a great upgrade to add to this bike.
So as we look at the YTZ5S battery, it is a fresh pack, maintenance-free battery. Of course, it's 12 volts, capacity is 3.5. It's weighing in at 3.5 pounds, which is just a little bit more than what we weighed it at, and the cold cranking amps is rated for 65. Now with the Noco battery, this is a lithium ion phosphate battery. Its battery capacity is 2 amp hours or 25.6 watt hours. And the starting current is 250 amps at peak. And when it comes to recharging this battery, if you have a 1 amp charger, it's 120 minutes charge time, a 2 amp charger, 60 minutes, and a 5 amp charger, 24 minutes. Now, you don't have to use specifically their brand of charger, but just check the amp rating of your battery charger. So there is your comparison of the stock battery with the lithium ion upgraded aftermarket battery.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and slide our battery in here. And we'll take these off right here. Now the only thing you'll notice is in order to get these seated properly, these little hooks that go on the stock battery are kind of in the way to get that flush mount. So What I'm going to do, we're going to pull this back out. What I'm going to do is take a pair of pliers, and we are just going to bend these so they are straight. Okay, so now that those are straight, let's go ahead and check our fitment again. All right, that is much better. That is much better. Yes, so we're going to be able to get these seated on here properly. But there's one more issue. Looks like the holes for these screws are a little wider than this. So it looks like we're going to have to drill this out to make a slightly larger hole to be able to take this screw. So I've got a 1/4 drill bit, so we're going to go ahead and drill these out. All right, so you can see here, we've got everything nice and neatly fitted in here. Had to drill the holes out, but everything's looking good. We'll just kind of slide this over the top of there. But yeah, that's it. So the battery's installed. We've got that nice upgrade. Got a little bit of weight reduction here. So this is our first attempt at doing some weight reduction. We do have some other things that we'll do later. But that's how easy it is to install this nice lithium battery in the Honda Grom. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Then we'll also add back our bracket here.